Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I'm going to quickly show you guys how to add the snow crystals effect onto your CapCut clips. So initially what you're going to want to do is go to Media at the top left corner, click and drag your video down to the timeline. It's going to look like this. Once you have it there, we're going to go up to Effects, Video Effects, and click on Christmas. We're going to scroll down until we find snow crystals, click and drag it above your clip. It's going to take a second to load, but then we can click on each end of the effect and drag it to all the end of the sides of the clips. With it being highlighted, we can go to the right corner and mess with the atmosphere and the speed. I want it to be as fast as possible, so let's take a look. Thank you guys for watching. If this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.